Welcome to Medvista, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the top 10 best healthy morning foods to kickstart your day. We're talking about foods that will give you lasting energy, support your health goals, and taste delicious too. So grab your coffee, tea, or maybe even a healthy smoothie, and let's get started.
Let's kick things off with an absolute classic: oatmeal. I'm talking about plain, steel-cut oats. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates. It provides slow-release energy, keeping you full for hours. Packed with fiber, it aids digestion and lowers cholesterol. Prepare with water or milk and add toppings like berries or nuts. Avoid sugary toppings for sustained energy.
Next up is a personal favorite, Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein, which helps build and repair tissues, keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and can even help stabilize blood sugar levels. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, those good bacteria that live in your gut and play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars, and then get creative with your toppings.
Let's talk about eggs, another incredible breakfast staple. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse loaded with high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins like B12, choline, and vitamin D, and minerals. Studies have shown that dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people. Eggs are incredibly versatile. You can scramble them, fry them in a healthy oil like olive or avocado oil, poach them, boil them. The possibilities are endless.
Let's talk about nature's candy berries. Berries are low in calories and packed with antioxidants, which protect your cells and boost your immune system. They're also a good source of fiber, essential for healthy digestion. From blueberries to blackberries, each berry offers unique nutrients and flavors. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or in oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a burst of nutrition.
Avocado toast is super trendy and nutritious. It's a fantastic source of healthy fats. Avocado has monounsaturated fats linked to heart health. It's also rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamins. Choose whole grain bread for added nutrients. Top with everything bagel seasoning or red pepper flakes. Add a squeeze of lemon juice for extra flavor.
Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in a ton of nutrients quickly, especially when you're short on time. Start with leafy greens like spinach or kale, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Add fruits like berries, bananas, or mangoes for sweetness. Boost with protein powder, nut butter, chia, or flax seeds. Be mindful of the sugar content.
Chia seeds may be tiny, but they are mighty little nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Combine chia seeds with your choice of milk and let it sit overnight. Top with fresh fruit, nuts, or nut butter for added flavor and nutrition.
Let's talk about bread. Now, I'm not talking about white bread, which is often stripped of its nutrients. I'm talking about whole grain bread, which is a much healthier and more satisfying option. Whole grain bread is made with the entire grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm, which means it contains more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. You can enjoy whole grain bread with a variety of toppings, like avocado, eggs, nut butter, or hummus.
Nuts and seeds are nature's treasure chests of nutrition, packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Each variety offers unique nutrients and flavors. A small handful provides a satisfying crunch and energy. Enjoy them on their own, add to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, or sprinkle on avocado toast.
Let's raise a mug to green tea, a beverage that has been consumed for centuries for its health benefits. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly a type called catechins, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, certain types of cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. It also contains caffeine, which can help boost your energy levels, improve focus, and enhance physical performance. Start your day with a warm cup of green tea and savor its refreshing flavor and numerous health benefits.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Medvista for more health tips and wellness advice. Start your day right with these healthy morning foods and feel the difference in your energy and overall well-being. Your body will thank you.